So welcome back. So in the previous video we have done the upper section of this page. Okay, so here we have to go with the second section. In the second section it should be look like this, and this we have to do in this video. So here we go with this, and for this I have to take another div. Then within this division I have to take another division, and if I see this is one division in this and this is another division in this division I have to make this I have to insert this over here. So this I have to write in the paragraph, and this is a image over here. So for this I will select paragraph, and here I will copy this, Control C, and here we go, paste this. And if we see over there, after D there is a line break, so we are putting BR element over here. Then in the next line we have to use set the image. Here we have to give the source of the image. I have already downloaded this image. You can download this image, just right click over here and just save the image as, okay, and you can save the image to your local computer. So I have saved it with the name map.png is the name for this file, and here I am specifying the alt for this. Say I write map, then close this. So I have done with this. So here I'm going to refresh over here. Okay, so if we see, this is done over there. Now what we have to do, we have to, if we see the difference over here, so this is written somewhere bold, here is a difference here over there, and this is written in bold, and so that's all we have to do the setting for this. For this I have to open my style, and that is my CSS file. Here I have to write setting. So I'm going to creating another wrapper class, wrappers ID, wrapper ID, and here I'm just specifying margin 0 or auto. Margin either 0 or either it will automatically take the margin, and I'm just setting padding again equal to 0 pixels, and text line here I would like to set on the center. Text line I want to set center, and width to this as this whole width. Okay, whole width I would, as upper section is having width of 98 pixels, so this is also having the width of 98 pixels. Okay, so within this I have written another, within this I have written another div over here. So here I'm just styling for that, and in this I just want to float it to the left. I just want it to flow to the left, and this section I want to be float left. And if we have to select font family, so here the font family I will select as, say, this Arial for this. So here I'm going to save this, and here I'm just refresh it. Okay, so now we have to make it more. So what I will do, I will make another ID. Within this I'm going to make another ID with the name div. Say I'm giving it as name div1, and here I'm writing the code. So for this, if you see over here, there is a margin over here. So I have set margin top around 30 pixel, margin around 30 pixel, and I have to set these sections. You will see over here, if you see, this section is different and this section is, so I'm just going to setting the space for this. So for this I have to set width, say I'm just giving the width as 590 pixel for this, and text align in this I would like to set as left. Okay, so in order to apply this I have to write over here to these changes. I have to write over here id wrapper, and to this I have to give id as div1. Save this, and here we go. Refresh this. Now this is done over here. Now this is set the margin, and now here if we see over here, this is somewhere bold, written in bold and different fonts. So for this I'm just going to make changes in my file. Here is my id is wrapper, and within this id I have div1, and within this we have to set it for the paragraph, and I want this paragraph to be bold. So here we can say that first of all I would set the font size property, that will be around 20 pixel, and I will set font weight over here, and it's in bold, so I'm setting bold. And if I set font family, then I will take it, and but I only wanted to apply Arial to this as okay, font Arial, and I don't want to give margin, so here I can set that margin is of 0 pixel, and I have to set color for this. That is having black color over here, so I don't want this color, so I have to set color over here. So I'm using hash, then 0e365385f. okay, so I'm setting this color for this section. So I'm just save this, here go, refresh this. Now this is changed over here, this is changed over here. Okay, so this is almost done over there. So now we have to move to this section. Look at this part over here. So this part we will take in the next video. Just we are dividing this into 4 parts, so I'm just going to divide this into 4 parts. So I will make this in next video, as it video become too lengthy. So wait for the next video, soon it will be there. Best of luck.